Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Fun in the Kitchen with April. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a quick, easy, simple chicken and rice. I want to remind you, because we have coronavirus going on, that anytime there's any illness, I want to remind you to wash your hands. I don't know when washing your hands became a new thing. I mean, that's just common practice for most people. So I don't know when that became a new thing, but please, just to help prevent germs from spreading, wash your hands with soap and water. If you're out and about and you're just running some errands, hey, get your hand sanitizer and put some hand sanitizer on and rub your hands together. Make sure you're going like this. When you're under the water with soap and water, make sure, create that friction right there and get all your hands, get your hands clean, okay? Just like that. Please always be safe, okay? Now we're going to get into our chicken and rice. Okay, so as you can see, I've already washed my chicken and everything. I have it in my pan here. So what we're going to need for this recipe, of course, chicken. We're going to use, I'm making rice for, it would be for 6. There's only 3 in my household, but the men in my house really love rice. So I'm going to make rice for 6. So that's going to be 1.5 cups of rice, okay? I'm also going to use 1 cup of broth and then 2 1/3 cup of water, okay? I'm going to use some onion soup mix, and then I'm going to use garlic powder. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So let me sprinkle my garlic powder on here first. That's what I like to do. Get that garlic powder on there. And it's never too much garlic powder because it's not salty or anything. It's not going to overwhelm your taste buds with the garlic powder. Okay? Now, we're not going to put the rice and the broth and the water in right away. What I like to do, I like to cook my chicken till it's almost done. And then I'm going to add my rice for the rest of the way. Because I don't want my rice to be mushy. You know, some people like soft, mushy rice. I don't. Okay? You know. So, this is what we're doing. Okay, so I'm going to flip my chicken over, and if you notice, I'm using 1 hand for seasoning and 1 hand to flip the chicken because I don't want to cross-contaminate anything. So I'm using 1 hand for seasoning, 1 hand to flip this raw chicken, okay? And then, of course, when I'm done dealing with this raw chicken, I'm definitely going to wash my hands, okay? You don't want any salmonella or any other sickness coming upon you, okay? We're trying to stay safe and healthy in this day and age. I mean, we have so many things out there that seem like it's going to kill you in a day or something. Shoot, we might be the Walking Dead around here in a minute. However, if we are, I watch The Walking Dead, so I know what to do. But this is all we're doing. Alexa, stop. That was my timer I had with Alexa. I was telling her to stop. Oh, I love my Alexa. Y'all should get y'all one if you don't already have one. Oh, she is wonderful. Okay. But, and I'm talking about an inanimate object like it's a person. But no, I really do love my Alexa. She does great things for me. And that's it. I'm going to cover it with some foil. Cook it at 350. I'm going to cook it first for about an hour. And then I'm going to add my rice in after an hour. Okay? That's it. Simple, easy. Okay, so my chicken has been in the oven for an hour, and this is what it's looking like. It's not fully cooked, but you see the I used the onion soup mix on it, so it has a nice brown coloring to it. So now, and it also has, of course, like your meats do, it makes its own broth. So what I'm going to do, I am going to pour the rice in. I'm going to pour the rice in here and get this going so that we have our chicken and rice. And then I'm going to pour my broth in here. I may have enough liquid. I may not need the water because the broth that the chicken made, and then I just added more broth to it, so I may have enough. But you know what I'm going to do? I'm not going to add this whole thing of water. I'm just going to put a tidbit of water in there. There we go. So I put a third cup of water in there. So remember, I did 1 cup of broth, 2 cups of rice. I mean, not 2 cups of rice, 1.5 cups of rice, and I just put a third cup of water in here, and that should be good. And I'm gonna let this cook the rest of the way, and it should be good. All right, I'll be back with you. Okay, and I'm back, and this is my delicious chicken and rice. And this is what's for dinner tonight. Quick, easy, simple. I had put it in the oven after the first hour of cooking the chicken. I put it back in the oven for another hour and let the rice cook and everything. And this is what we have. And remember to like, subscribe, comment, and remember to press the notification bell so you know the next time I have a great recipe coming for you. Bye.